everybody, it is Randy with Carchaeology, and I'm here at the Petersen Automotive Museum, and something really exciting is happening. The Brubaker Box is going to be coming to the museum today, and I'm waiting for Andreas to roll around the corner with it on the trailer. And I'm hoping that the car looks okay, because I know that there were some issues along the way in bringing it up to Monterey and back. But he flies home to Germany tomorrow. Actually, I think he flies off to the East Coast tomorrow and then goes to Germany shortly thereafter. But here I am. It's LA. This is the Petersen, one of the coolest automotive museums in the world. And the car that I worked on is going to be in here in just a little bit. And that's really freaking exciting to me. So come on, let's go. So the entrance to the museum for display vehicles is around the back side of the property. So I'm going to go around back here, see if I can catch Andreas pull up, see if we can get some footage of the Brubaker making its triumphant arrival to the Petersen Museum. And, well, looks like he beat me to it. It looks like they actually made the trip. This 57 Chevy towing my little raggedy trailer and the Brubaker made it all the way up to Monterey and back, as well as around LA for a few days. The Brubaker is looking good. There were a couple of little issues that we had with it, moving the car around, scratched the paint, but it looks like that has been now repaired and it's looking good. So let's get that thing off of the trailer and get it in to the museum. So that's me piloting the craft on into the museum. I started out trying to get a video from inside, but I certainly didn't want to be the guy to crash into the wall of the museum upon my entrance. That would have been a bad scene indeed. But here it goes. Super fun. So this elevator drops it down a level to an area where they do prep for the vehicles before they go into storage. This is also the level that the vault is on as well, which is their storage facility for the cars that are not on display on the main floor of the museum. And I've got to say, the vault admission, pay that extra money to go see the vault, because the most amazing cars are down there, as well as the ones that are upstairs. But the vault is well worth the ticket in to see. So here we are in the prep station here. They're going to go over the Brubaker, give it a proper detail, get it ready for display. Really super exciting to see this thing in the building, and it's going to be even better when I see it actually up on the museum floor. So cool to have this goofy little car that we built here in the lab among some of the finest motor cars ever at the Petersen Museum. Thank you to Andreas and to Linda for allowing the Petersen to share the car with the world, and that's super fun. So here it is, little peek from the vault. There's my baby back there. You look so good. See ya. Well, heck yeah, the Brubaker Box at the Petersen Museum. That is a lifetime achievement for me. That is really super exciting to have one of the cars that I built going into this amazing facility right here. And I can't wait to go back here in about a week or so when they've actually got the car on display. And I want to thank Andreas and Linda for playing along with all of this and making all of this happen. It's really been a wonderful union of those guys and me as well to see the Brubaker Box go on to further fame. And there may be some other magazine articles coming up as well. In any case, thanks so much for watching. Keep on digging them up and driving them. Bye-bye.